What is one super tip on getting started investing in real estate?
I would say preparation is key. So recognizing that it's up to you how much preparation we put into the performance that we're about to go into. So previewing challenges, recognizing how you want to overcome them, really will empower you to embark on this journey on your terms. We're obviously not going to know every challenge that's going to arise, but we can start to anticipate maybe from our past experiences what maybe challenges lie ahead. And if we can start to recognize what we did in that moment and what worked and what didn't work and be able to refine that process and allow you to come up with a new game plan, now you're going to be going into that situation equipped much more differently and much more, much more preparedly than in the past. And what I always liken this to is an exam. Is maybe last time when we were in school, whether it was in high school, college, post-grad, when you were taking an exam, when we prepared for an exam, the first time we did it, we probably did not necessarily get the best grade. We probably did all the preparation we could, but we didn't realize maybe we started the night before. Then we realized, I need to start preparing a couple days in advance. Then I need to start to think about this a month in advance. And the more that we prepare ourselves and start to think ahead, we now refine our preparation process. So every time that you start to prepare for a new activity, a new decision, it's only going to get better and stronger as we continue to learn from the past one and refine it for the next.